So this was our home page where we just go live and we did intra page linking, right? In inter page linking, not intra. Whereas for example about, it go to the about page, right? And it's opening up in a new tab because we set target underscore blank. Very good. Then student, it will go to the student page and all. There is nothing there yet, right? Oh, okay. I finished it. Live again. So now what I want to do is I want to go to the about page, and maybe in this about page I have a lot of stuff here, right? And there are some headings, and I want to jump to that heading. Okay, I could have a nav bar here which will be, putting up those things कि क्या अपने काम को headings chase, right? So let us try to build this about page, about.html. And here, for example, I got a paragraph tag, and okay, maybe this is, I will put up some header. This was my header, for example. I'm gonna have a header tag here, right? This is the header tag. In the header tag, I have got this h1 as an, you know as an about page. Then I put up here the nav bar. Okay, navigation. Styles will do later on. Okay, navigation. Here in the navigation, I say I have, for example, about us, what, why is this site important, what is this site about, and all that. Maybe I have some links here. Okay, I create an anchor tag, and I say, for example, me anchor tag. I say why is this site important, anchor tag, and what, for example, what is this pay all about. Okay, I didn't close that yet. I should close that. What? Okay, no docs, no site docs. So me, why, and what. Now I have, for example, here in the paragraph, I will have here firstly, for example, after navigation, we have what? The section tag, right? Okay, the section tag. In a section tag, we usually have what? Article. Remember this layout stuff, okay? These are the article tags. Okay, in the article tag, I have some paragraphs, say P paragraph, and I have some heading H1. Maybe I have got some H1 tag here, header 1, right? And header 1 is about us, about, and I put up here in the paragraph, I put up a lorem. Okay, I want to wrap it. Yeah, Alt plus Z to wrap it. I just copy it, whatever that is, copy, control and drag it. Okay, control and drag it, so that is going to become bigger. Control and drag it, so it's control and drag it. I want to have a long text, for example. Okay, I got a H1. I copy this whole article tag. Okay, control C and control V here, or we could drag it simply, and for the next one, control V here. So now second one, this was about us. This is, for example, why this site, why you choose us. Or we are telling your customers, why are you choosing us? Okay, and okay, this is the second one. Okay, say for example, this is telling us what are we all about. So you're telling us what are we all about. Control S to save it. Okay, now go here and you see about us, what are we all about, and why you chose us. There are three, there could be many more. Okay, we can put up the stylings, different stylings to all these, and then me should get me here, why should get me here, and what should get me here. In fact, this is why and this is what. Okay, So why and what में थोड़ा सा इसको change करेंगे. I mean this is after this, right? Okay. Now it should be able to jump. Should be able to jump. Means you click me, it should take you to the this part of the page. If you click what, it should take you to the next part of the page. If you want to use the section here, and I wanna do this article, I wanna put style to this article. Say you say style, either you say like the style, maybe I say background color, and I put up some color, maybe green. Okay, let us see how it looks. Maybe gold. Okay, Control S to have a little better looks. Okay, you can change font and all. That doesn't matter. But you can do one thing. You can put up the style here in the head for all the articles. Now see, if this is the article and it has style, okay, you want to apply this style to each and every article. If you do inline, again there's a problem, right? If you do inline, again this is a issue. We'll take up these issues tomorrow, the style issues. Right now I do like that. We don't do inline. Inline you never do it in your projects. Do you understand? So just to tell you that it's there. But we don't do inline here. Neither we do here in this. We create a new file. Okay, we tomorrow create a new file and start building the styles. That we'll do tomorrow. Okay. Now this time we will finish the anchor tag. Okay. Now what's happening here is maybe I put up the same style here. It doesn't look good gold. Okay, by the way. Control Z. Maybe I put up the aqua. I just copy the style to everyone. Control C. Article को गया था मैंने. Control V and Control V, Control S to see the effect going on there. Okay, maybe a little bit not looking good at all. Okay, but we are actually targeting our anchor tag, not the styles. We'll make them look good when we finish the HTML and CSS. Then we may polish it. Right. So now what I'm trying to accomplish? I am trying to accomplish that I click the me, it will go to the me. Okay. For that, I can use the ID or I can use the name. I can use the ID, I can use the name. And ID is, there are three things. One is a name, one is the ID, one is a class. We can, each and every tag, you can target that with some name, with some, I can use the class, I can use what? Or I can use ID. If you use ID, ID is to the particular person only. For example, I use ID to the Basirat, ID 1. Now you can't have the ID 1. But if I say class, now she belongs to the MCA class, you also belong to MCA class, he also belongs to MCA class. So class can target many. You can put up the same class name to Taukir, to Zubair, to this guy, to that guy. Everybody has a class MCA. Now, if I put up a tomorrow style, or I will use a JavaScript to that style, to that class, it will be applicable to all who belong to that class. जिसको मैं नाम दूंगा. But if I say ID, it means targeting only that particular tag element, not other than that. Right? We'll discuss that later on also. Tomorrow maybe when I show you the styles. Right now, I can put up, for example, I just want to have this about. Okay, I want to have this about us and I want to target it. I want to go there. So if I say here name, is name there? No. If I say ID, ID is here. But if I go to the some paragraph and it may have the name. Say if I give the ID of me, ID of what? I'm giving the ID of me. Okay, and I'm giving this guy G. Okay, that's the problem. Right, Control S. Now I have here ID is equal to what, and I go here id equals to y. फिर से कुछ है, हाँ इसमें इसको भी परेशानी है ना. Okay, I say id is equal to y, y. इसमें डबल कोट्स है, हाँ, control s. Now right now we got the IDs here, and here I got a 3 anchor tags, but I need to tell them to go there href, okay, and I say hash. I say what? Now it will try to find either what is this me, okay, and I say here href hash what, href hash y, okay, hash. Control S to save it. Now give it a go. There's a me, it is taken to the about us. If you go to what, it is taking you to the what. If you say y, it will take you to the y part. Okay, so this is linking perfectly. This is called as inter page linking. Now maybe I want to go back here, I want to have some here to go back to the top, right? So maybe I go here, firstly I copy this out and control and put it here so that it will be bigger. Okay, now what I want to do here is I want to have it here top. I want to hear what? I say anchor tag and I call it top. That you want to go to top. There are many ways you can go to top. Either you create like this hash and this thing, and you create a top on here somewhere top. Okay, or you simply I could do it because I want to go to the beginning. I can go href. What is the page name? About dot html. There is not a single way, no, only one way to do particular thing. You can do multiple ways, and you need a lot of creativity to do. You can do many things. Great. Now maybe this is there, but it will not come in the next line, so I will put up the br tag there. So that comes the next line. Control S. I copy this out. Okay, copy this first. What's happening? Copy this much. Control C and do it here. Control V. Go here. Control V. Control S to save it. Now you see here. Okay, me, what and y. And if you want some spaces in between, we'll use the spaces of CSS and all, but we can use the HTML also to give the spaces, non-breaking space, because we have the ampersand non-breaking space. Okay, because we have here the ampersand and BSP. Here also ampersand and BSP. Okay, Control S to save it. Now I go to the page. Now you see it's already having some space, huh? We don't want that under HTML underline. Later on we will remove this underline. Okay, we do something fancy. And when the mouse hovers, it changes the color and all. We do that later on, styling and all. Right now we concentrate on anchor tag. Now if you go to the Y, it will take you to the last part of the page. And if you want to go to the top, it will take you back. Okay, if you're gonna be me, like it's me, you're gonna top, it go to the top. You say what? It goes to the what part. You want to go to the top, you can go top. So by this way you can go from any page to any page, and you can navigate within the page. When navigating within a page, this is called as intra-page linking or inter-page linking. It is intra-page. Now when there is a competition in a class, inside a class, say intra-class, and it's between two classes, you say inter-class. Inter means outside two bodies. Intra means within a body. So within a page is the intra-page linking, right? So this is what anchor tag does, but we can have more things to be done by the anchor tag. One of the things is that you want to go to the particular site, for example, in about, say for example, here I am saying anchor tag, and I am saying college, okay? That you want to go to the college, and I want to go to the college website. So href, and I say http colon slash slash islamia college dot edu dot in. Okay, now control S to save it. Maybe I want to go that it should open up in a new tab. So what should I do? Target, yeah, underscore blank. Maybe I want to have some the title. Okay, title is college website, whatever website, no website. Control S to save it, and just see where is it. The colleges come up. You hover the mouse is college website. You give it a go, and it opens up the Islamia College website. So you can link any website you wish to using the anchor tag, right? In that href only has to specify that website address, right? Now you also want to have some, maybe you want to have some what, I mean ampersand email. You want people to email you automatically. Okay, so maybe I say here anchor tag, damn, mail me, mail us, whatever, and you want to say here href. Okay, and you say here mail to colon, then my email id juni at the rate of live.in. Very simple id I have, right? Very simple to learn. So mail to, say href mail to, and control S, save it, go here, and here we are, the mail has come up. Okay, and if you give it a go, you see that your email client will open up. Okay, the Outlook, for example, I have Outlook here, and you see what is happening here. That's automatically being pasted there, automatically paste whatever the email id you have, organization email id, whatever that is, or if it is a personal blog, you have your own email id. Right now you are ready to go, you are ready to do that. Does that make sense? So this is all about the anchor tag, I guess. What have we done? Have we linked the image? Yeah, we have linked the image, right? इमेज के बारे में काम किया था ना, वो डाउनलोड वगैरह वो हमने किया था होम में, ठीक है ना? So that's all for the anchor tag. Okay, okay, where is it?